Namaste and welcome back to Ayu-Shaala, your space to explore the wisdom of Ayurveda. Today we will discuss Kutaja. It is highly valued for its role in managing Atisara and also various digestive disorders. It helps in healing wounds and said to be crimigna. In this video, we will discuss its botanical details, medicinal properties, references, therapeutical uses, actions and formulations. Before that, we will be dealing this drug in two parts. So in this session, we will study its botanical name, family, synonyms, its varieties and their morphology. And in the next session, that is in next video, we will deal with its Rasapanchaka, Amayika Prayoga and formulations. So let's start with this Kutaja. Let's start with its botanical name, Holarrhena antidysenterica. And nowadays it is called as Holarrhena pubescens. So originally that is Holarrhena antidysenterica in the olden era, and now it is called as Holarrhena pubescens. So if you write anyone, it is fine. It belongs to Apocynaceae family and Kutaja kula. And reference, Charaka included under Arshogna, Kandugna, Stanya Shodhana, Astapanopaga and Vamana. Vamana, that is Indrayava. We will discuss it later. That is the seed of Kutaja. We call it as Indrayava. That in Vamanagana. According to Sushruta, it is included under Aragvadadigana, Pippalyadi, Brihatyadi, Haridradi, Lakshadi and Urdhvabhagahara. Now coming to its synonyms. First one is Kutaja. That is, the name says Kute Samuhe Jata. Kuta means group. That is Samuha. And they see always in group and grows in high altitude. Then Vatsaka. It is a small tree or large herb. Then Giri Mallika. Mallika means jasmine. Giri means hilly area. So jasmine of hilly areas. Kutaja, Vatsaka, Giri Mallika. Then we have important synonym, that is Vrikshaka. It is also a small tree. Then Yava Phala, that is fruits. Seed resembles Yava. And Indra, it is a potent drug. So as we all know, Indra is a very potent god. So it is also potent drug. Next synonym we have is Mahagandha. That is the strong smell of the flower. And Varatikta. It is best of Tikta Rasa, having Tikta Rasa. And Indra Vriksha. Then Sangrahi. It does Grahya. That's why it is called as Sangrahi. Now moving on to its varieties. According to Charaka, he classified into two types, that is in Kalpasthana. So there are Sri Kutaja and Pum Kutaja. Pum Kutaja, as we studied now, the botanical name is Holarrhena antidysenterica. And Sri Kutaja, we have two sources, that is Wrightia tinctoria and Wrightia tomentosa. It is the important classification. You should not forget this. So there are two types, Sri Kutaja and Pum Kutaja. Pum Kutaja is Holarrhena antidysenterica. And Sri Kutaja we have two sources, that is Wrightia tinctoria and Wrightia tomentosa. Next we have is its morphology. First we will see the morphology of Holarrhena antidysenterica, that is Pum Kutaja. It is a large shrub or small tree. So leaves are obovate, having rounded base, pubescent and glabrous. It is a large shrub or small tree. Leaves are obovate, rounded base, pubescent and glabrous. Flowers resembles jasmine. Earlier only we studied that it has a synonym, that is giri mallika. And fruit, it is called as follicles. Here you can see the pod is present. In antidysenterica, the pod is separated, not attached. From a single point, the pod is not attached, it is separated. So this is about morphology of Holarrhena antidysenterica. I will repeat. It is a large shrub or a small tree. Its leaves are obovate, rounded base and pubescent, also glabrous. Flowers resembles jasmine, that is white in color. Fruit is called as follicles. It also presents pod, that is it is divergent pod. From a single point it divaricates. Next, coming to Wrightia tomentosa. It is also a small tree with elliptic lanceolate and obovate leaves. Apex is shortly acuminate or acute. Rounded base and tomentose on both sides. Flowers are short. Corolla, that is color yellowish white. Fruits are capsules which are cylindrical in shape and between groove is present. Lenticels are present in outer surface. So this is about Wrightia tomentosa. It is a small tree with elliptic lanceolate and obovate in shape. Apex is shortly acuminate or acute with rounded base. Flowers are short with yellowish white color. Fruits are capsule with cylindrical shape. Next we have is Wrightia tinctoria. It is the official source of Sri Kutaja, but both the sources are accepted. It is a small deciduous tree with elliptic lanceolate shape and acute or acuminate at apex. So in Sri Kutaja, about tomentosa and tinctoria, most characters are similar. So you can remember any one. So coming to Wrightia tinctoria, it is glabrous sometimes, having small flowers. Fruits are dark green in color. Peduncles, follicles and joined at tips. So you can see in the last image that from a single point it is attached, that is convergent. Tinctoria, it is convergent, and tomentosa, both pods are attached and its seeds are hairy at the end. So we have discussed its botanical name, family and synonyms, its varieties and their morphology. For this session, this is enough, and if any doubts, drop your doubts in comments below and we'll clear in doubts in your upcoming sessions. So thank you, stay healthy, stay